Hello and welcome. It's Gilla Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast with a croaky voice. I had a really bad flu-y kind of cold for a week now and it's just it's not been good. Coughed and coughed and coughed so much it's given me migraine headaches, but I feel a little better today, so I wanted to come in my art room and do a few pours. So here we are. Rightio, so I'm hoping this will buck me up. I've got this lovely 60 by 30 gallery wrapped canvas and I'm gonna do something that I did test out on a smaller piece. You probably will have seen the video. It was a monochrome piece that I did. I just wanted to test it on a smaller piece before I tried it on a bigger piece, so I'm going to do it on this lovely gallery wrap canvas now. So I'm just going over the base of my canvas with white. This is just my normal white, the acrylic, my global acrylic mixed with normal pouring medium. That's in the recipes in the drop down box underneath this video. So it's all there, links to my suppliers that you can get, online suppliers for all your acrylic needs, and it's all there. So just wanted to give this a nice coat of paint before I get going on my idea, so it's to see if it works out. Just put that aside. I might put a little bit more paint on it. This will go. Rightio. Lost my spatula. There we go. I'll just go back over this that I've just sprinkled on there. So just nice and easy, just relax. Just take it easy and enjoy your art session, whether you're on your own or pouring with a friend or your hubby or your partner or whoever. Just enjoy it. No rules in this art room. Rightio, so this is a simple base that I'm going to try. I mean, I've tried it on a small canvas and it works, so I'm going to see if it works on this one. This is going to do this really lovely, this is going to be my background. So I've just got lamp black in there from Amsterdam, just mixed with Floetrol, and I'm going to use my, remember this is going to be my, it's not coming out, what's going on, it's probably, that's okay. I might need a bit thicker than this, I'm not sure. See how we go. Tilt it to the back. So hopefully this is going to give me a super duper background for something that I've got planned. So I might start here. There's a fly buzzing around me. So that black is just mixed with Australian Floetrol. So this is to give me this U-Beaut super lacy monochrome background for the pour that I'm going to do. So look at those cells, they're just really lacy and they kind of disappear, but when I bring you up close you'll see the lovely effect. So when I did it on the smaller canvas I thought this is going to be so nice for a background as well, or just nice for a very simplistic pour if that's your desired effect. So there you go, that is going to be my background for this particular pour. Nice. Rightio. just see if I can bring the camera, show you these really lovely cells in there. So that's gorgeous, really lovely. Too worried. Oh, what did I do? Silly Jilly. It's all right. I can have a grey sides of my lovely canvas here. Rightio. Now for some colour magic. Colour magic. I'm going to. I think I would like to. See if I can tilt that back a bit. Stretch them cells back and the black back. This is such a good background for a pour. I mean, it's fine just as it is, but it's really lovely background for this particular pour. Just nice and slow because I don't want to overstretch those lovely cells that I've got. It's moving very slow because I haven't got a tremendous amount of paint on my canvas, so wow, okie doke. That's really, really lovely. Okay, stop going on, Jilly Willy. Okie doke. That's what my dad used to call me. Not nice, but Jilly Willy. But anyway, it's okay. Rightio, I'm going to do some wiggles, just a bit. I'm gonna embellish this in the centre, well, sort of here where you see I'm doing it. Rightio. So that's the cool red. Going to mix some of my. I have this left. It's the dark sea. I just had it pre-mixed. I hope it's not too thin. Let me pour a bit out and see if it's really thin. No, it's a little bit, but not too much. Ooh. Okie doke. It's a bit wibbly wobbly. Rightio. Might put some gold in there. This is just the metallic gold. This is the phthalo blue, and it's got a good dash of the dragonfly glaze in, which I'll be using the dragonfly glaze or the lovely pearl mist from Global Paints to add some lovely video. Now I'm not sure if I want to just try, I might just try here a little bit of a swipe with a little thin piece of, not what I intend doing, but I just wanted to try this. I hope I don't stuff it up. Just a little bit of a swipe through. Actually, I think that'll actually give the monochrome background some zingling. Let's give this a try. So just swiping out, and because I've put a bit of the lamp black with the Floetrol, so it develops into these lovely lacy cells. kind of give a dash effect or a... When I bring you up close, you'll see a lot better these gorgeous effects that it's created. Yo. I don't think I've done one like this for a little while now. So nice to keep swapping and changing. You have a go at different things and come back to the things that you really love and enjoy. I'm going to turn it right the way around. There we go. Go away, fly. Put the black all the way back through. Oops. These are just little bits of soft plastic file divider that cut up. This is really giving a fantastic effect. It softens up all the blunt edges, and this monochrome background with the way I did that swipe, I think it's pretty neat. So that's all you've got to please is yourself. It's a nice idea anyway, and I'm glad that it turned out. So far anyway, so far so good. Wow. Okay. What I'm gonna do with that now is give it a little bit of a heat all over. Moses trousers. Maybe I need to bring another swipe out that way. Does it look a bit... Okie doke. It's got this sort of medium balloon. It's just filled with air, so I'm going to kiss it. Oh wow. Oh no, I should be putting that definitely on something. That is a nice kiss, a nice balloon. The colours are just beautiful. Wow, wow, wow. It probably could have done with me just leaving this paint for half an hour, which I still can walk away and leave it. It's just that the paint absorbs into the canvas so much nicer and gives you probably a little bit better balloon effect. But I'm going to just run with this because I'm really liking what's coming up at the moment. And if I need to dabble in it, I can certainly do that. But wow, that is like giving a U-Beaut super duper effect. This phthalo blue is just glistening because I put the iridescent medium in it, or what do you call it, dragonfly glaze in this one. Yes, I will definitely be doing a monochrome background again in a different style because I think it looks U-Beaut. This is just a little, it's a normal balloon just filled with a little bit of water. So it gives you like that really nice effect in the center of your previous balloon kiss. But I don't think I want to change any of the, I think that's beautiful. I really wanted to see the effect because I would like to get rid of this line a little bit, so I'm just gonna see what my balloon can do to break up that black line at the top, and it's just giving the perfect little embellishment in there. That's gorgeous. And even my gecko thinks so. That's a funny gecko, that. Look at that. That has given a really nice frame to it. I think you're going to like it when I bring you down and have a closer look, because it has got so much lovely detail effect in it that was easy created. And I think when it's dried off, I might go around the very edge, paint it dry with grey or white again. I'm not sure. It was intended to be white, but it's kind of yeah, stuffed up a bit because I messed my hand in it. I'm going to bring you down and have a look at this. It's really pretty. Okay, look at this. Well, that was the monochrome swipe. Look at the beautiful background you can create. And I've tried it in red and in my Berry Delicious as a background, and it turned out beautiful. And look, when you do the balloon kisses in the monochrome, how gorgeous the effects are. Well, that was kind of balloon rolls, but that is just gorgeous. And so you've got this lovely crackle effect background for whatever kind of pour you want to do on it. I guess it'd work for most things, but not a Dutch pour, because you'd end up blowing it all out. And then this gorgeous like burst of colour, and look where we did the swipes at the gorgeous effect and the very shimmer in that paint. See the gorgeous lacing in there, just like ice breaking in this absolute rainbow of colours in the ice. I don't know, it looks, yeah, it looks really, it's just beautiful. Really, really love that. So I will get my thinking cap on again for something else that I can do this effect. Just gorgeous. Hope you like it too. Rightio, there you go, there's the whole thing. I will leave this to dry, and let me pray to the drying gods that it all dries beautifully, but I'm pretty sure it will, because it can't really go anywhere. Rightio, my lovelies, please take care of yourself. Until tomorrow, I will be back. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I put a new video out every day. And hope you enjoy or pick up some tips and tricks for your own art journey. So until tomorrow, bye for now.